All right, this is a box break at Waxar of a 2013 National Treasures football box. Just came in, first box in the case. The mahogany wood, you know it's good. All right. With 8 cards, 3 autos, 3 jerseys, memorabilia.
The bottom one. You do one.
Okay, there you go. All right.
Oh, wow. 1 of 1, Tony Gonzalez.
That's a good start. That's a good start.
Okay. We got a Marshawn Lynch, number to 99. See if he picks it up. There. We got a Giovanni Bernard, triple patch football. Geno Atkins, jersey, another Bengal. Zach Ertz, football jersey. Adrian Peterson. There we go. Vikings jersey card. Ooh. 1 of 2. Josh Gordon.
Nike swoosh.
Nike swoosh.
Unmistakable.
Got a
That's a big hit.
Michael Cox. Rookie auto. Ruben Randall. Yeah, 5 of 5. Jonathan Franklin. What is that? A quad jersey?
Yeah.
The last one. Aaron Dobson. Got almost a 2-color patch in jersey. Okay, that's it.
All right.